Uh, Hello. Today again we are here to talk about different aspect of programming. And today again we are going to talk about some MCQs related to that data file in C. In previous session we have already seen that how to write the programs data file from simple to advanced one. Okay, without any further delay, let's just start that discussion on MCQs. If you have any questions regarding this MCQs or that maybe in other program writings, just use the chat box. Okay, I will be answering all those questions. No question? Okay, fine then. Yesterday we discussed about this one. So now give me the answer of this question. Which mode is used to append data to a file? So there is a file and we want to add further data. So what should be used there? In which mode that file should be opened? That is A. Yes or no? That's called append mode. So right answer is C. 8C. Now let's go for the next question here. Next question is question 9. Question 9 is which file is used for file handling. Okay. Now we have here first option, that is stdlib.h. Next is there conio.h. Next is there stdiu.h. Next is there stick.h. So which one is applicable? Give me the answer now in 9 number. Is there any special one? Which header file? I missed that header. Is for file handling. stdlib.h or conio.h or stdiu.h or string.h. Which one is needed there? Give me the answer. Okay. Uh, so whenever we go for the data file handling programs, the first one we need is a stdio.s, and remaining all others actually we may need them, we may not. Okay. So this is the answer C. stdio.s. Question 9C. C. Now we are going for the next MCQ there. Question number 10. So what is question number 10? I'm just writing here. File is first is a keyword. Next is a function. Next is a structure. Next is a variable. So it's a very important question there. Question number 10. So whenever you write file, so what does this mean? Is it a keyword? It's a function, it's a structure, it's a variable. Uh, we don't need that, especially when we talk about the file handling. Conio, that is optional. One has asked me here in this chat box that console पनि त चाहिन्छ त output लिन. That is not true actually. And that is optional for our course. And Conio, when you talk about then Conio, it is especially used whenever if you want to hold the data, hold the output on your screen. Console input output we say there on your, just suppose output is running there, you want to hold something on your screen, then Conio is needed there. Otherwise Conio is not needed. Okay, so which one is the right answer when you talk about the question number 10? So one has said their file is a keyword. So when you talk about the file, then file actually it is of a structure type. Yes, it is a structure type. And when we write a file, then the file pointer variable, then it means the uh, use the data file which is of structure type. Means indirectly file is associated with the structure, not as a keyword or the function or the variable. So its right answer is question number 10, C. So once it has been asked in board exam, okay, so be careful whenever you answer this one. Now we are going for the next, that is question number 11 here. File fp means first is there file name, next is there file pointer, next is here file mode, next is here size. B C D. Okay, now tell me the right answer. Question 11. Think and tell me. Okay. So one has asked me the that file custody structure. Actually, when you talk about the file, it looks like a keyword, but that is not. It is a data structure which is defined inside the stdio.s, and it stores all the information about the file, like maybe the for position or maybe the mode, or maybe the buffer, etc. And when you open a file using function like f1, and C does not directly give you the file itself, instead it gives you a pointer to a file structure. Okay, just remember that C does not give us the file itself, it gives us a pointer to a file structure. Yeah, so why it is a structure, not a keyword. So what so we were talking about this one, C11 number file fp means. So its answer is B, file pointer. Actually, it's a file pointer pointing to a file. So question number 11, answer is B. Now we are going to over the next question here. Question number 12. Question number 12 is there. Mode R is used for. First is there. Writing. Second is there. Reading. Third is there. Appending. Next is there. Deleting. So what would be the answer? Question number 12. So zooming in now. Whenever we open a file in this mode R, then what does this mean? Is it for writing? Is for reading, appending, or deleting? Question number 12. Okay. One I said reading. Obviously, when we talk about the R, so it is stands for reading. So right answer is there B. Question number 12 B. So writing the answer here B. Now we are going to write the next question here. Question 13. Question 13 is here. Mode W is used for A. Appending data. B. Reading data. C. Overwriting file. Deleting the file permanently. So question number 13, what would be the answer here? Mode W. Does it mean that we are going to append data? Does it mean that we are going to read the data from the data file? Or does it mean that overwriting the file? Or does it mean that deletes the file? Question number 13. Okay, when we talk about the W, then if the file does not exist, it creates the file. Yes, it creates the file. And if the file it has been already created, and again if we open the file in W mode, it means overwrite the existing file. So here in this option, actually we are not given there creating the file there. We are given only appending, the reading, deleting, and they are not right answers there. So the right answer is the overwriting. C number. Question number 13, C. Now going to write next question here. Next question is here. Question 14. So question 14 is here. Mode A means mode A means overwrite data, append new data. Next is there read the data. Next is there delete the data. So 14 number. Which one is the best option? Best answer, not the right answer. Best answer we have to look for. Okay, its answer is now. Whenever we talk about the mode A, it means we are going to append new data. That is B number. It don't mean that we are going to overwrite the data. Reading also not possible there, and delete also is not the right answer. So question number 4 means B. B. Now going to talk about the next question here. Question number 15. In this question we have here RB means first option is the read binary. Next is write binary. Next is the append binary. Next is the random binary. Okay, now think and tell me which one is the best option or the answer here. Question number 15. So whenever we talk about the RB, so R means read and B stands for the binary. Means uh, read the data which are stored in the binary form. Okay, so that is called RB. So the right answer is there A, read binary. Okay, right, it is not right. Append, it is also not. Random, it is also not. So A number is the right answer. 15B. Now, going to talk about the next question here. Next question is here, question 16. W plus means writing and reading data from a file, writing and deleting data from a file, deleting and writing data from a file. The writing and writing and removing file from a computer. So what is the meaning of 16 number question? W plus writing reading data from a file, writing deleting data from a file, deleting and writing data from a file, yes, and writing and removing file from a computer. So which one is the right answer? Question number 16. So whenever we write plus, then it means just opposite of the given word, that is W. W plus means first you write the data and also go for the reading. Yes, if you write R and plus means go for reading and also go for the writing. If we use A plus means appending as well as reading, just opposite we can assign there. And here in this case we have here W plus. So W means writing, storing data, and plus just opposite to W, that is reading. So the right answer is A number, writing and reading data from a file, 16 number. So question 16 A. Now going to write the next question here. Question 17. Question 17 we have here. F printf is used to answer is first here, read formatted data. Okay, the next is here, write formatted data. See, next is here, delete the file. Next is here, move the file pointer to any other location. So what do you think? Which one is the right answer? Question 17. This one, just now being highlighted here. So question 17, right answer is So question number 17, when we talk about the fprintf, f is scanner, then fprintf, it is used to write the formatted. Formatted means in a special format, like maybe new line using tab, using spaces. So that is called format. Uh, in which we are going to store the data. So answer is B, question 17, B, write formatted data. It don't mean that deleting the file. It also don't mean to move the file pointer to any other location. Okay. So the answer is write formatted data. Question number 17, B. Now going to talk about the next question here. Question number 18. Question number 18. Next we have here same question. F scanner is used to first is write data, next is read formatted data, next is here close the file, next is here append data. So 18 number is there, just opposite of this one we discuss app printf. So what is the meaning of question number 18? App scanner. Question number 18. Okay, question number 18 is app scanf. When you talk about the scanf, it is that function which is to get the input from the user. But when we add this app letter, then it becomes formatted scanf. Means a file contains some data records. Now they read that. To read that, we have used app scanf. So that's called reading the formatted data. Question number 18B. B. Now going to talk about the next program here. Question 19. 19 is here. Which is correct? First option is here. F printf. Okay, F became capital. Let's make it small here. Let's take a file pointer fp, specifier d, and let's take a variable x. Okay. Next is here f scanf. Next is here file pointer fp, then specifier d, and next is here x. See both a and b. Next none. Now tell me the 19 number. When you write the data and when you read the data, so both are included here. Now think and tell me which one is the right answer. Uh, so any guess here? Okay. So fprintf, it is right answer when we store the data. So this is the format, or we can say syntax here. So we write first the file pointer, then we give the specifier, then we give the variable name. If we are going to read the data, so we have to use the f scanner. So this is the format, and for all the numeric variables, we have to use the address. So it means A and B both are right. So answer is 19C. Now going for the next question here. 20. We have next question there. To write a string to a data file, we use first is here puts, next is here app puts, next is here gets, and next is here scanner. So which one is the right answer? 20 number. Think and tell me there. So which one is the right answer? B question number 20. To write a string to a data file, so we have one function, and that is app puts. Okay, puts, it is only for the display. App puts means whenever there is app, then it means we are going to write the data. App puts, it is for the string, so we have to use this one. Yes, the answer is B, question 20B. Now moving forward here, we have next question here. 21. 21 we have there. Okay, tell me the answer. 21. Question 21. To read the string from the file we use, that is app gets app puts for the writing, app gets for the reading. So question 21, A number. Now we are going to over the next question here. Question 22. Question 22 is there. App write is used for first is there text file, next is there binary file writing, next is there deleting file, next is here renaming file. Okay, give me the answer now. Question 22. Fwrite, what is the main function of fwrite? Is it for the text file writing, reading, binary file writing, deleting the file, renaming the file? What is the main purpose of this fwrite? Okay, so when we talk about the fwrite, it is called unformatted function, and unformatted means it is store the data randomly, and it is mostly popular for the binary file writing. So fwrite, and if that is the case of reading, then we use the fread. So answer is the B, 22B. Now next question is here. Fread is used for first is there writing, next is there binary data, next is there appending, next is there removing. Okay, give me the answer of 23. Just opposite of fwrite we discussed here. So when we talk about the fread and fwrite, it is used for the instruction, and they are popular for the binary reading and writing. As the name says, read means we are going to read the data, which is for the binary. So answer is 23B. Now next question we are going to have here is question 24. Question 24 is here. AppSec is used to option A close the file, next is there move the pointer, or we also may say the file pointer, next is there read the file data, and next is there write file, write the data in a file. So which one would be the best option for this one? Question 24. It's very important. Question 24. AppSec used to close the file. Obviously, MCQ, it is not used to close the file. Read, obviously, it also determines that read the data from the file. Write, it is also not the purpose. So what we need there, we have to use AppSeq whenever we want the file pointer to particular location. So the answer is B. Move the file pointer to particular location. Question 24, B. B. Now, going to talk about the next question here. Next question is there. Question number 25. Question 25. 25 is here. Rewind. FP is used. First option is there to move the pointer to the end. Next is there to move the pointer to the end. Sorry, beginning. Next is here to delete the file to append the data. Okay, tell me the answer. 25 there. When we use rewind and suppose the file pointer is FA, then what does this mean? Does this mean that to move the file pointer to the end, or does this mean that to move the pointer to the beginning, or does this mean to delete the file or to append the data? 25 number. Okay, so rewind, when you talk about name is saying that actually rewind means well, doesn't matter where the pointer is, it takes a file pointer from that location to the original location, that is called beginning part of the pointer. So what we have here, to move the pointer to the beginning, that is B. Okay, question 25, B. Now we have next question here. Next question is question 26. Question 26 is there. F12 returns us file size. Next is here current position of file pointer. Next is here end position. Next is your file name. Okay, tell me the answer. 26. F12 returns us what? File size, current position of the file pointer, end position of the file name. So FTL, whenever we use in our program, it simply says that what is the current position of the file pointer. The file pointer, it moves to and fro, means forward and the backward. And whenever we want to whenever we use this FTL in our program, it simply indicates that where the file pointer is hanging. So that is called current position of the pointer. So right answer is B, 26B. Now moving forward here, going to write near next question here. Question 27. So in 27 we have here six set refers to. Okay, first is the beginning, next is the end point, next is the current point, next is the random. So which one is the best answer here? Question 27. Question number 27. Guess the answer. If you don't know, you may guess the answer here. So 6 8. Just I'm not going to write the answer here. You think of what would be the answer and just guess yourself. Okay, 27. Now I'm going to write the question 28. So question 28 there it is there. Mm, uh, to delete the file we use. First is here delete, then we have here remove, then we have here erase, next is there clear. So which one is the answer here? To delete the file. 28 number. So mostly actually when we are going to update the data, copy the data and delete the data, we need these functions there. Means deletion of file. Which one is the function to delete the file? It is remove. So remove is used. Okay. So 28 is question 27. I just left to you 27. Question 27. Okay, just writing question mark here. You think yourself. Question 28. Question 28 here is there. B. Okay. Next is here question 29. Question 29. So we have here rename means first is here change, means let's give one option there. Merge two files. Next is there. Change the old file name into new file name. Next is there. Delete the file name. Next is there. None. So which one is the answer here? 29 number. So whenever we talk about the rename, as the name says, rename the file. So answer is we have one old file name and we have to convert that into new file name. Yes, and obviously it accepts two arguments. So old name and the comma and the new name. So answer is B, 29B. So just writing here 29B. Now going to write next question here. Uh, Let me think there. Question 30. I think it will be the last one. Uh, so sorry. Question 30 is there. If the file pointer is returning as null, it means a file opened. Next is there file deleted. Next is your file renamed. Next is a file not opened. So its answer is there whenever we use pointer, and if it is returning null, it means the file it could not be opened or could not be created as well. So that is the meaning of null. Okay, file open does not mean that it is returning null. Deleting also does not mean that, and renaming also does not mean that. So whenever file is unable to open that, then that means it is returning null. So question 30 is the D. Question 30. D. Okay. So these are the basic questions related to data file. I hope you understood many things related to the MCQs and many other programs. If you have any questions, let me know there. No questions, fine there. Tomorrow again, we'll be discussing some more thing about the syllabus. And tomorrow, I have a plan to discuss about the SQL, how to create the table database, relation databases there. So again, join me tomorrow. And if you have any questions, just bring it here. Try to solve yourself. If you could not, you may ask your friends there. Just come online with me at 4 o'clock tomorrow, again at same time, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. We'll be discussing. We'll first write some SQL commands, then we'll go for the MCQs, and then to next unit GS and the PSP. And gradually we'll also be talking about the some other units, important questions, etc. So thank you for joining me, and just uh, join me again tomorrow at same time.